Hey guys, today we're going to be planting some seeds for a sea hibiscus, also known as the Hawaiian how tree. I'm actually going to be starting them in just some little red solo cups using some seed starting potting mix. And these are some seeds that I ordered. Tiny little seeds. For seeds this size, you really don't need to soak them. You do need to make sure that your soil is good and moist, not too wet, and then just mist them after you plant them. And only plant them right at the surface and just barely cover them over. I'll let the soil moisten real well first. Let that sort of soak through for a few minutes before we actually put the seed in. You want to compress it, but not too firm. These seeds are tiny. Again, this is going to be the Hawaiian how tree. We are going to Hawaii in a week, so I'll get you some video of a mature how tree while we're there to add to the end of this video. Just going to take the seed and just barely place it in the soil right there. Just barely push it under. Barely cover it up. Let that drain for a little bit. And that's it. Stay tuned and we'll get an update on how it turns out. I'll be doing an update on these seed plantings in the next few weeks and months. Seeds can take anywhere from 10 to 180 days to start germinating. But these right here are Canary Island date palms that I collected from seed last August. And this is the progress of those so far. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and I'll be posting more videos, more updates, more plantings. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. And now to Hawaii. Here's some examples of the sea hibiscus, or how tree, when trimmed and pruned to a bush form here in Hawaii. Freshly pruned sea hibiscus. Looks a little ragged on the top where it's just been pruned, but you can trim it back into bush form or hedge form like these right here, the second row. And just past there and up here is untrimmed. You can see the leaves. This bottom row here is trimmed back for the shape, and then there it is with its full foliage in bush form. Hopefully mine will turn out pretty good. We'll see. Don't know how it'll do with the Alabama climate, but we'll find out. And the sea hibiscus, or how tree, is a bush, and then up above there is where they've let it grow into a tree. Very thick foliage.
morning.
So as you can see, the sea hibiscus can be grown into a tree, such as this one, with thick foliage, or as a bush.